Welcome to this session of Bridge Course. I, Suraj Mashilkar, Assistant Professor of All India Sri Shivaji Memorial Society's College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Pune, would like to introduce you to the session of Physics under the Bridge Course. To welcome you to this session of measurements, which includes needs and roles, and the physical quantity of measurements, let us see what are the different objectives of this session. The first objective of the session is to understand the role of measurements in physics. The second objective is to enlist the needs and the uses of measurements in physics. The third objective is to understand the meaning of physical quantity. Let's begin with the session. We have seen some interesting facts about measurements in the previous session. Hence, to move ahead, in this session, we will discover why measurement is so important and has a very crucial role that it plays in physics. In this session, we will discuss the significance of measurements in physics. We will see how it advances our knowledge, validate our hypothesis, yields new insights, prepares yourself to explore the realm of measurements, where significant discoveries can arise from even the smallest values. So let's start with the first part of this particular session. The first part says the role of measurements in physics. In physics, measurement plays a very vital role as the foundation upon which our understanding of the complete universe is built. It serves a language through which we quantify the properties of matters and energies, allowing us to describe and analyze the behavior of physical phenomena that occurs in the environment with the precision and accuracy. Whether it's measuring of speed of the light, the force of the gravity, or the temperature of the substance, every observation in physics is tied to a measurement. Measurement is a language of physics. It allows individuals to communicate and share their findings accurately. Without measurements, we cannot quantify our observations or make predictions about a behavior of any physical matter or a system. Measurement enables us to test our hypothesis, validate our theories, and make meaningful conclusions about the natural world. In a sense, measurement is just not a practical tool in physics, but it is a very essence itself of our quest to understand the universe and our place in the same. Measurement in physics is not just about rulers and numbers. It is about understanding the world around us in a very precise as well as a meaningful way. Without measurements, physics would be like a puzzle missing its piece, leaving us in a dark about how things actually work in the universe. Hence, measurement plays a very delicate, at the same time a vital role in physics. We will see how it is not just helpful but essential for unlocking the secrets of the universe and making amazing discoveries. Measurements also is very important. Its needs and uses are very much in place. Following are some important needs and uses of measurements. Amongst them, the first one is to understand the world. What happens in the measurement is that it allows us to understand the world around us by quantifying the attributes of the object and its phenomena. For instance, measuring the length of a table, the weight of an apple, or the temperature of the water helps us comprehend and interact with our environment more effectively. We may need to measure our tables. We may need to measure or weigh the apples. Hence, this is what understanding the world is. It helps us to know the world, the environment effectively. Next need is the precision in science and engineering. In fields like physics, chemistry, and engineering, precise measurements are very essential. Those are essential for conducting experiments, analyzing data, and designing technology. Whether it's determining the speed of light, the force of gravity, the efficiency of the machine, accurate measurements are crucial for advancing scientific knowledge and technological innovations. The next one is standardization and communication. Measurement provides a common language for scientists, engineers, and researchers to communicate their findings accurately. Standardized units and measurement systems ensure consistency and facilitates collaboration across different disciplines and regions. Next need is to quality control and assurance. In industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, and constructions, measurement is vital for ensuring quality control and assurance. From monitoring products dimension to verifying compliances with safety standards. Accurate measurements help maintain product integrity and customer satisfaction. The next need or use of a measurement is in decision making and problem solving. Measurement provides the foundation for making informed decisions and solving problems in various contexts. Whether it's determining the dosage of medication for a patient, assessing the performance of financial investments, or evaluating the environmental impact of human activities. Measurement guide decision-making process and informs policy developments. Advancements of knowledge and technology is the next need of measurement. What it does is the measurement derives scientific progress and technological advancements by enabling researchers to test their hypotheses, validate their theories, and develop new technologies. From exploring the mysteries of the universe to improving everyday products and services, measurements play a fundamental role in expanding human knowledge and improving the quality of life. The next need is on safety and regulations. Measurement is critical for ensuring safety and compliance with regulatory standards in various industries. For example, in pharmaceutical sectors, precise measurements are essential for formulating medications with accurate dosage to avoid adverse effects on patients. Similarly, in food production, strict measurements are necessary to maintain quality control and ensure that product meets health and safety regulation. Hence, in food production, what we do is we follow the standard recipe, which has certain safety and regulatory standards. The next need is for monitoring and management. Measurement plays a very vital role in monitoring and managing natural resources, environmental parameters, and infrastructure systems. From tracking air and water quality to assessing energy consumption and carbon emissions, measurement provide essential data for environmental monitoring and resource management initiatives. In addition, precise measurements are crucial for optimizing the performance of the infrastructure system such as transportation networks, energy grids, and telecommunication networks. Next use of or need of measurement is predictive modeling and forecasting. Measurement data serves as the foundation for developing predictive models and forecasting future trends. It is done in various domains. In fields like meteorology, oceanography, and climatic science, accurate measurements of atmospheric conditions, ocean currents, and climate variables are indispensable for predicting weather patterns, natural disasters, long-term climatic trends. And similarly, in finance and economics, measurement of economic indicators, market trends, and consumer behavior enables analysts to develop predictive models for forecasting economic growth, inflation rate, and market fluctuations. The next need or use for measurement is in innovations and entrepreneurship. Measurements foster innovations and entrepreneurships by providing entrepreneurs and innovators with valuable data and insights. It identifies the market opportunities to develop new products and services. It also optimizes business process. For example, in the technology sector, precise measurements of user behaviors, product performance, and market demand informs the design and development of innovative technologies and digital solutions. Similarly, in healthcare, measurements of patients' outcome, medical diagnostics, and treatment efficiency drives information. In medical devices, pharmaceuticals, and healthcare delivery systems. The next need of measurement is in education and training. Measurement is essential for education and training in various disciplines, helping students develop critical thinking skills, problem-solving abilities, and scientific theories or literacies. By engaging in hands-on measurements, activities, and experiments, students gain practical experience in applying mathematical concepts, scientific principles, and analytical techniques. Measurement-based assessments and evaluations also enable educators to track students' progress. By identifying learning gaps and tailoring the instructional strategies to meet individuals' learning needs. The next use of measurement is one of the most vital use where it is used in healthcare. Measurement plays a vital role in healthcare. It helps in diagnosing illness, monitoring patient health, administering medication, and evaluates treatment outcomes. Hence, it has a major role to play when it comes to healthcare. The last need or use of measurement is in sports and athletics. In sports and athletics, what measurement does is it utilizes its techniques in sports and athletics for timing races, measuring distance, recording scores, and evaluating athletic performance. So these were all the needs and uses of measurements. The needs and the uses of measurement encompasses a wide range of applications and disciplines for ensuring safety and compliance to driving innovations and entrepreneurship. By providing accurate and reliable data, measurements empower individuals, organizations, and societies to make informed decisions, solve complex problems, and achieve sustainable development. So let's move to the last part of this particular session. The last part of this session is something with regards to physical quantity. How would you define a physical quantity? What do you mean exactly by physical quantity? So, a physical quantity is a characteristic or property of a physical system that can be measured and expressed quantitatively. In simple words, the physical state of an object that can be described by a certain number is known as a physical quantity. In physics, physical quantities are typically represented using standard units of measurement such as meters for length, kilograms for mass, and seconds for time, and so on. These units provide a standardized way of expressing measurements and allowing for consistency and clarity in communication within the scientific community. So to give an example of physical quantity, mass of a person is 65 kgs. A length of a table is 3 meters. An area of a hall is 100 meters square, whereas a temperature in the room will be 30 degrees Celsius. So these are simply what we call as physical quantities, which are mentioned numerically. So with this, we come to an end of the session. So to summarize the session, what we have seen here is the needs and role and the uses of measurements in physics. The role played by measurement is one of the crucial role in terms of identifying quantities, measuring the units of masses and every bit of a thing in the universe. Whereas in terms of needs and uses, there are n number of uses and needs of measurements, amongst which the quantifying and understanding the world is one of the precise and important need of measurement. Measurement is used in various fields as of science, engineering, and healthcare, giving them a standardized quantity and communication levels at every bit of a standard. Also, what we did in today's session was something called as physical unit, which is defined as any number that gives a physical state of a certain object will be termed as a physical unit, in which an example would be mass of an object being a numerical in kgs. With this, we come to an end of the session. Thank you so much.